Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Reviews First. Are you looking for the top 5 best electric scooters in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best electric scooters in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Experience smarter urban mobility with the Segway Ninebot F2/F2 Pro electric scooter. Engineered for power, comfort, and safety. Reach speeds up to 20 miles per hour and glide through city streets with confidence, thanks to a robust motor and responsive acceleration. The long-range battery keeps you moving farther on a single charge, making daily commutes and weekend rides effortless. Built for real-world riding, the F2/F2 Pro features a sturdy frame, wide deck, and advanced suspension that smooths bumps and uneven pavement. High-visibility lighting, dual braking, and traction-focused tires enhance control in all conditions. With UL 2271 and UL 2272 certifications, the battery and electrical systems meet rigorous safety standards for peace of mind. Smart connectivity lets you monitor speed, range, and ride modes through the app, while foldable portability makes storage simple. Whether you're upgrading your commute or exploring your city, the Segway Ninebot F2/F2 Pro delivers reliable performance, modern design, and dependable safety in one sleek electric scooter. Perfect for beginners and seasoned riders seeking efficiency, durability, and everyday convenience on the go. Number 2. Experience powerful urban mobility with the Gotrax electric scooter for adults. Designed for commuters who want speed, range, and reliability. Choose from 350W, 500W, or 1000W motor options to match your riding style, delivering smooth acceleration and top speeds of 20 to 28 miles per hour for confident city travel. With an extended range of up to 18 to 38 miles on a single charge, this scooter easily handles daily commutes and weekend rides alike. The 10-inch pneumatic tires provide excellent shock absorption and stability, helping you glide over uneven roads with control and comfort. A bright LED headlight and responsive taillight improve visibility and safety during night or low-light rides. Built with a durable aluminum alloy frame, the Gotrax scooter balances strength with a lightweight feel for easy handling. Intuitive controls, responsive braking, and a sleek, modern design make the scooter both practical and stylish. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring your city, the Gotrax electric scooter delivers dependable performance, comfort, and value. Perfect for eco-friendly transportation and everyday riders seeking convenience and confidence. Number 3. Meet the Segway SuperScooter GT3, a premium electric scooter engineered for riders who demand power, comfort, and endurance. Reaching speeds up to 31 miles per hour, the GT3 delivers exhilarating performance while maintaining exceptional stability and control. Its 2400W peak motor provides rapid acceleration and confident hill climbing, making daily commutes and weekend rides equally effortless. Enjoy extended adventures with a remarkable 45-mile long range, reducing the need for frequent recharging. When it's time to power up, flash charging technology gets you back on the road faster than ever. Dual hydraulic suspension absorbs bumps and vibrations, ensuring a smooth, comfortable ride across city streets and uneven terrain. Self-sealing tires add peace of mind by automatically preventing flats, while the robust frame and premium components reflect Segway's commitment to durability and safety. Designed for performance-focused riders, the SuperScooter GT3 blends cutting-edge technology with refined comfort, transforming every ride into a confident, high-speed experience. Whether commuting, cruising, or exploring, the GT3 sets a new standard for electric scooter performance and redefines modern urban mobility. Number 4. The Hiboy S2 Nova electric scooter for adults is designed for riders who want power, portability, and reliability in one sleek package. Equipped with a 430W peak motor, this electric scooter delivers smooth acceleration and can reach speeds of up to 19 mph, making daily commuting fast and efficient. Its long-range battery allows riders to travel up to 20 miles on a single charge, ideal for city trips, campus rides, or short errands. Built with a high-strength aluminum body, the Hiboy S2 Nova offers excellent durability while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. The portable folding design lets you quickly collapse the scooter for storage in a car trunk, under a desk, or at home. Designed with adult riders in mind, it provides stable handling and a comfortable ride on urban roads. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend cruise, the Hiboy S2 Nova combines performance, convenience, and modern design to deliver a reliable and enjoyable electric scooter experience. Number 5. The WERHY 8.5-foot/10 electric scooter is designed to deliver power, comfort, and convenience for everyday adult riders. Equipped with a strong 350W or upgraded 500W motor, it reaches impressive top speeds of 19 to 22 miles per hour, making commuting faster and more enjoyable. Choose from multiple battery options that offer maximum ranges of up to 28, 23, or 16 miles, ideal for daily travel, campus rides, or short city trips. Its 8.5-inch or 10-inch tires provide excellent stability and shock absorption, ensuring a smooth ride across urban roads. The foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, fitting effortlessly into car trunks, offices, or apartments. Built with a sturdy frame, the WERHY e-scooter supports reliable performance while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or enjoying a weekend ride, the WERHY electric scooter combines speed, efficiency, and practicality, making a smart and stylish transportation solution for adults.